Hey there, let's talk about motor oil. How is the motor oil actually produced? The first step is sedimentation. After the raw crude oil has been pumped out from the underground, it is transferred to the refinery. The process simply involves crude oil being pumped into these large holding tanks where water and other contaminants are able to separate and settle out of the oil over time. The next step is fractional distillation. Crude oil is a mixture of different hydrocarbons, molecules that are made of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Each of the sizes represent a different compound, one of which is the motor oil. But how is it separated? Well, take mixture A and B. Mixture A is made of tiny light molecules and B is made of large heavy molecules. Naturally, the boiling point of A will be much lower than B because it would take a lot less energy to get the smaller molecules in A moving compared to the ones in B. It's like trying to move that toy car that your parents gave you for your 6th birthday. It's a pretty easy task. But then if you try to move a truck, that would be much harder. And this is the main idea behind fractional distillation process. This is a distillation column. The crude oil is pumped to its bottom where a heater is placed. The crude oil becomes vapor, which starts to rise. As the column gets cooler towards the top, some of the vapor becomes liquid again, depending on the size of the molecules, or as we discussed earlier, its boiling point. This way, molecules of the same size are collected at the same level of the column, one of which is the motor oil. The next stages involve more filters and mixing the oil with additives in order to enhance its physical properties, like being able to withstand low temperatures. Then it is inspected and packed away.